Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key. And if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. Now, as you can tell by the title of the video, this is going to be a no makeup look, and this is going to be literally a no makeup look because it will not be involving any foundation. And if you notice, I do have on some false lashes. Now, I don't really wear false lashes like this. I just now started wearing them. The first time I ever wore false lashes was when I did my birthday photo shoot, and that was the first time I ever wore lashes. I didn't apply them myself. My sister actually put them on for me, but this time I put them on myself, and these are actually the same lashes. Like, they're actually in good shape, still in good condition, and I'm still practicing with the lashes, but I think they look pretty good. I'm not a makeup guru or anything like that. I'm still learning all of this makeup stuff and all of that, but I just wanted to do a no makeup look because I'm in college and sometimes I want to look decent, but I don't want to be putting on so much makeup. Like, sometimes I will put on makeup, but sometimes I don't want to use up too much time. For my no makeup look, I do not use foundation at all. The only thing I do is my eyebrows. I put on mascara and I put on some highlight. So this is going to be actually a really quick video, but those are really the only things that I do when I do my no makeup look. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So the first thing I like to do is my eyebrows, and I actually got better at doing my eyebrows as well because a lot of people compliment me, and I actually have a friend who asked me if I ever thought about doing an eyebrow tutorial, and I never really thought about that because I know it's kind of hard to kind of get close up, but I think I actually am going to do that. The first thing I like to do is my eyebrows, and if you see me looking over, I actually have a mirror right here just so that I can kind of see myself as far as doing my eyebrows. I like to use the e.l.f. brow pencil, but it actually broke the other day. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go in with an eyebrow pencil that I actually got from the Dollar Tree. And y'all, don't sleep on Dollar Tree eyebrow pencils. Like, they're really good. Like, I use these all the time. Like, majority of the time when I'm doing my eyebrows, I'm either using the e.l.f. brow pencil or an eyebrow pencil from the Dollar Tree. Like, literally. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna, of course, use this little spoolie, and this is by e.l.f. also. This is an eyebrow duo brush.
And this is not an eyebrow tutorial. I'm just doing my eyebrows.
So I think that is good. So then I like to go in with my pencil, and look how short it is. Like, that's how you know I use it a lot. But yeah, so then I'm just going to fill it in with my eyebrow pencil. After I do that, my eyebrows look a little crazy. Like, they don't look cute at all right now. But then I like to go in with my concealer, and I have two concealers. I have the Pro Conceal in the color medium beige, and then I actually have the Ruby, I don't even know what this is called. I don't know, it says RK by Kiss CNC concealer. I'm not really sure. My mom gave this to me, and I believe it's from the beauty supply store, but this is also in medium beige. So these are the exact same color, but for some reason the one by Kiss seems like it matches my skin a little more. Like, it seems like it's a little bit more darker. So then I just go in with this, and I don't use like any other tool to put my concealer on. Like I take it straight from the actual container that this is in, and I just conceal my brows. So I do have concealer around my eyebrows. I'm not sure if you all can see it. Now I'm about to go in with this precision shaper brush, and I'm just gonna blend out my concealer. So after I do my eyebrows, I like to do my eyelashes, which is just really applying mascara, because I really don't wear lashes like that. I just put them on today because I don't know, I just feel like putting them on, and I don't know, I think I really like wearing lashes now. Like I don't know, I just like wearing lashes now. I actually applied mascara to my real lashes before I put on the false lashes, and the reason I did that was because I watched a video on someone showing how she put on lashes, and she actually put on mascara first, then she put the lashes on, and then she put mascara on the eyelashes so that the false lashes and your real lashes will kind of blend in. So I think that's what I'm gonna do now, since I already applied mascara to my real lashes and I've already put on my false lashes. I'm going to take some mascara and kind of put them on my lashes that I have now. And I've never put mascara on my false lashes, so this is actually the first time that I'm putting on mascara on false lashes. So I'm actually using some volume mascara by Amuse, and this is how it looks. And this is actually from Shop Miss A, but I'm just gonna take this mascara and I'm just going to put it on the lashes and kind of blend it in with my real lashes. After I put on mascara to my actual lashes, what I like to do now is I like to actually go in with some highlight. The highlight that I'm going to be using is by e.l.f. and it is in the color Blush Gems, and I freaking love this. I actually love this highlighter, and I just put it on my skin. Like I told you all, I don't wear foundation for my no makeup look. So this is a literal no makeup look. I know some no makeup looks, they apply like some foundation and it's more like a natural look, but this is like a no makeup, like no foundation. It's still, you know, doing my eyebrows and lashes and all that stuff, but like there's no foundation. So I'm just gonna go in with my highlighter, and I like to use my fingers, so I just do like this and I just put on some highlight, and then I do the same to the other side. I'm not really sure if you all can see that, because this I'm sitting right in front of the window, and I have two windows in my room, so Yeah, you can kind of see it. And then I also like to put it on my nose like this. And then I do like this. And then I also like to put it right here. And I just press it into it like that. And something that I don't really usually do when I do my no makeup look is put eyeshadow in the corner of my eyes. Like I do it when I'm actually wearing like makeup. But this time I kind of want to go in with some eyeshadow in my corner. And I'm gonna go in with the gold color because it kind of matches my headscarf. So I'm just gonna go in with the gold color. And I'm actually gonna use the little sponges that actually come in the eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna put that in the corner. And then I'm gonna do the same to this side. Just that. I really wish you all can see it a little bit better. I'm not sure if you all can or not. So the last thing that I like to do is I like to put something on my lips. Now, if you want to put on lipstick or some type of lip cream, then you can do so. But since I want everything to be a little bit more natural, I'm just gonna go in with some lip gloss. And I do have on like some lip balm on my lips. You can just do that too, which is usually what I do. I usually wear lip balm more than I wear lip gloss and lipstick, but this time I'm gonna go in with some lip gloss, and I want to say I got this from Victoria's Secret. So yeah, this is my no makeup look. And I do this all the time when I'm like going to class, especially on days that I have to get up really early, because my earliest class is like a 9 o'clock and I don't have time to put on makeup. And yeah, so this is what I'm working with. I'm just really happy that my lashes look actually decent for me to be a beginner in putting on lashes. And I actually love these lashes. These lashes were sent to me from Influencer, and they're actually the Kiss lashes. I'll put them down in the description box. I can't remember the exact name of the lashes. All I know is they're by Kiss, but I love them because they actually look natural. They're not too thick, they're not too thin. And I don't know, like lately I've just been really digging lashes because I just feel like they just complete a look now, like, you know. But yeah, I just love this natural look. That's pretty much all I do. I like to do my eyebrows, put on some mascara when I'm not wearing lashes because I don't wear lashes like that, and put on some highlight. And I just put my highlight on my cheeks, my nose, and I put on either lipstick, lip gloss, lip balm. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Make sure to press that bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.